She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Hey my loves, so if you are looking for any type of shapewear, go ahead and check out SHAPERMINT. They have everything that you are looking for. So guys, make sure you use my discount code. I will have it on the screen and down below in the description box, and make sure you click on the link in the description box as well. Make sure y'all check it out.
I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things are starting.
Repeating units. You have 20 keys. 2.
It's just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, kept it turning up with everybody. No, don't hit anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5.
So guys, I am getting ready to go to a rodeo. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to a rodeo. First of all, I gotta figure out what am I wearing. So yeah. There's a big spider outside my window. Whatever. But yeah, y'all. But hi, my name is Aza if you're new here. But y'all, this one is to do. So I gotta figure out what am I wearing. So y'all finna look at me.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
all night. Work it in the middle.
Alright, y'all, we are heading to the rodeo.
I got a mama jam like it now, wild time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I will.
Once again, it is rodeo brandentry. Come on, Tyler. See yourselves a two-time world champion. Yes, yes, yes. Now the opportunity to face him up. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
One time to the right, two times to the left. Come on now, Bill. Good looking pattern, top of the key. One more turn. Let's go now. Old Toys Hardware Bucking Seats.
Hey y'all, sorry I did not talk to y'all after we left the rodeo. Y'all, I was tired. No, go sit down. Go sit. Okay, but anyway, what I was saying was after the rodeo, like we came home. Did we get anything to eat? Yeah, we got something to eat and we came home. And let me just tell you about the rodeo. The rodeo was really, really fun. I really enjoyed it. I would like to go back to the rodeo, but we need to buy our tickets ahead of time next time, and we have to get there super early to get a better seat. Because where we were sitting at, it was not a good seat because all the action was happening down, like down that way, and we couldn't really see it. So yeah, but it was really fun, y'all. I did enjoy it, so I would like to go back. I really would. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all. But let's just get back to this video.